In R667 and above, you can now check your patient's insurance eligibility and coverage from directly within Practice Perfect. This service is powered by OneBody, and there's a little bit of setup involved, so without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Our first piece of setup takes place in the payers. Every payer has a unique identifier number that is generally universal. These can be found in the spreadsheet linked in both the video description and the Learning Center post. The identifier is used both by your clearinghouse and OneBody. The identifier number can be entered into one of two places: in the payer profile, in the identifier field, or in Settings, Customize Insurance Eligibility Checking, Payers tab. If you choose to enter it in the latter, it will override whatever you may have in the payer profile. Should your clearinghouse require one payer number and OneBody requires another, then only enter the OneBody number in Settings, Customize OneBody, Payers, and not in the individual payer. Also, take note of the entity type field. The options here are provider and clinic. By default, the system will use the provider's NPI when running the eligibility check. But what if the provider is out of network, but the clinic's NPI number is in network? You can base the eligibility check on the clinic's NPI number instead and get a much more accurate description of the patient's benefits by making that distinction here. Second, your providers will need to be set up to run these eligibility checks as well. In the Settings, Customize OneBody Eligibility panel, you will find a list of your providers. Please choose a provider type for each provider. Next, go to Housekeeping, Contacts, Providers. Each provider will need a work phone number, a work email, and an NPI number. Some payers, such as Medicare and Medicaid, may require the provider's Social Security number, SSN, as well. Third, we're going to look at how to check patient eligibility. Let's open up a client profile and take a look at the Incidents tab. Here you will need to ensure that there is either a billing provider or a primary provider assigned to this incident. In the case that there is both a billing provider and a primary provider, the eligibility check will be based upon the billing provider. Now, to run the eligibility check, go to the Policy/Claim tab and take note of this section here. Choose the relevant payer and click Insurance Eligibility. Wait a moment while we fetch the data. The following box may appear if it takes more than 20 seconds. You may click Yes to continue waiting. If you click No, it will abort the request. Once the check is complete, your web browser will automatically open with a PDF containing the patient's benefit summary, followed by a more detailed breakdown of their benefits and their remaining coverage. It will automatically be saved to the Activities by Documents section of their record. But please note, for some payers, but not all, when you submit an eligibility check for the first time, this dialog box will appear instead, and it can take them a couple days to verify the provider on the back end, so continuing to wait won't work. In these cases, you will receive an email once the provider has been approved in their system, and you may resume running checks for them as normal. Now, let's get to the price. There's a cost of $1 per successful eligibility check and 50 cents for any failed attempt due to incorrect info being provided. There is no minimum, you are only billed for what you use. And for a limited time only, your first 20 eligibility checks are on us. So try it out and let us know what you think of the new OneBody integration. If you require assistance with any portion of the setup, contact us at support@practiceperfectemr.com.